This is the best part of a chicken.
Magandang araw, mga kaibigan.
Mabuhay a Filipino.
We are here in our province where we'll be spending a year. It's been a while, so here's just a little update of what's been happening after our quarantine in Manila.
Is this the actual video?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was a practice run. So yeah, we're here in our home base in Nueva Vizcaya.
Like I just said.
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
On December 11th, we
We
can
are
roam around and, contaminate people with our love.
Yeah. And in the meantime, we have been doing nothing but eating
Yes, so
nonstop.
I don't know. Filipinos love to eat. They also love to offer you food. So whenever you go to like a Filipino household, they will always offer you food. They will say, "Kain na, kain na."
Means let's eat. And
Yeah.
so we've just been eating
Yes,
a
eating.
lot of chicken, a lot of fried food. You'll find out very, very soon.
Yes.
So while we're waiting until we can, shoot the content that we really want to shoot, let's just eat some food.
Yeah.
Let's just have a good time and enjoy our time here. So without further ado, let's get into some food.
So we just killed this little guy. Well, I didn't kill it. And it's native chicken here in the Philippines.
What are we doing with it later?
Kakainin!
Barbecue?
Barbecue kuya? Tinola.
Tinola. Anong tinola?
Tinola ka ngayon, sabihin mo.
Ano yun, tinola? English?
Ginabawang manok lang yun eh. Walang English.
Chicken soup?
5 pesos. 5 pesos? Isa pa po 15.
Isang 10. Pwedeng 5 na mais. Sabi na to? Isang 5? Pwedeng 5? Wala pong 5. 750, dalawa. Dalawa 750 para maging 50. Okay.
Wala lang.
Saka may saka kisip pa siya.
Kinugano niya.
Oh, ito lang.
Dalawang 15, dalawang 20.
Para makakain.
Sabay chocolate? Parker's about to eat his first binatog.
What is binatog, Monica?
Corn. With,
Oh, there's more to it than just corn.
with condensed milk? Tapos ano pa?
Boiled pork.
Yeah, boiled corn.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. Sarap!
Set up.
How tiny the spoon is.
It's an impractical spoon.
Hello.
What are we trying, Mom?
Silis.
It's a tiny little fish. You see that?
Yeah, it's just a tiny little fish. And it's seasoned. So it's nice and sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah. For a little saltiness to it.
little crunchy.
Nagpa-vlog. Sama ka dito. Ay.
Ayaw.
Sama ka dito.
Hawak mo yung camera.
Bantayan mo garod. Bantayan mo ulan ko pag
Pretty good. It's fine. What is it?
It's dinuguan. It's the meat is made out of the inside of the chicken that we killed earlier.
And what's dinuguan?
Blood.
So it's cooked in the blood?
Yeah, blood stew. This is
That's the other chicken?
tinola from the native chicken.
Tinola?
Tinola.
Tinola.
Are you lang diles? Dito na kayo muna eh. Lamesa.
Kasi meron kayo. Sabating ito damong yung kanila.
So enough rice for you?
Oh yeah, that's good for me for lunch.
Ay, nilapit. Ikaw ay Nash. Dito ka?
That's enough?
Give me a little more than that. A little more.
Nagkakarne ka ba, Nash?
That's good.
Sabi niya, alin the more.
Yan yung Thai.
The papaya.
Ang swimming na lang.
So, I already had a bite.
You already tried it? Naturally.
I couldn't wait.
Couldn't wait. It's a dinuguan.
Yeah. And it's mostly made out of like the intestine of the chicken. It doesn't taste organy at all. It's really good.
Yeah, it's good. I've never had the chicken dinuguan before.
Native chicken dinuguan. Now, try natin yung tinola.
Kaya panood ni Katkat.
Maganda, kakat.
Pagkain. 10 days ka na naman